Next example is solve d square y upon dx square plus y is equal to tan x by the method of variation of parameter. So given question, write as it is. So I have taken a simplification and I have made a left hand side as d square plus 1 of y is equal to tan x. Then auxiliary equation is what happens here. So it will become d square plus 1 equal to 0 or d square equal to minus 1 or on taking root here d is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 1, which is nothing but what here, plus or minus I. So d is equal to plus or minus I. So based on this, the complementary function is yc is equal to no real part. So c1 cos of coefficient of I is 1. So c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So this is your complementary function. So assume the complete solution is y is equal to a into cos x plus b into sin x. Your equation number 1. Now we have value of y1 is this, coefficient of a is cos x, value of y2 is how much here, sin x. So y1 dash will be differentiation of cos is minus sin x, and y2 dash differentiation of sin x is what here, cos x. So therefore w is y1 y2 dash minus y2 y1 dash, which is nothing but y1 value how much we have, cos x into cos x minus formula minus sin x into minus sin x. So this will become cos square x plus sin square x, which is nothing but 1. So the value of w is how much we got here, w is equal to 1, and we know that the value of a is given by minus times integration of y2 phi of x divided by w into dx, and b is given by integration of y1 phi of x divided by w into dx, and our phi of x is nothing but from the right hand side it is tan x. Okay, remember this also. Now apply the value of y2. So y2 is sin x into phi of x is tan x, and w value is 1 into dx, which is nothing but minus integration of sin x into tan can be written as sin x divided by cos x into dx. So what happens to a here, minus times integration of sin x into sin x is sin square x upon cos x as it is into dx. So what is sin square x as per the identity? So it can be written as, so I have not integrated still, so we'll simplify. So as per the this one identity, it is sin square is 1 minus cos square x divided by cos x as it is into dx. We'll separate it as minus times integration 1 upon cos x minus cos square x upon cos x into dx. So which is nothing but minus integration of 1 upon cos x is nothing but what here, secant x minus, so cos and 1 cos cancel, 1 cos is left into dx, or a is equal to minus times, so integration of secant is nothing but what here, log of secant x plus tan x and minus integration of cos is nothing but what here, sin x plus arbitrary constant k1, or open this bracket with negative sign. So a is minus, if you open, so it will minus times log and this will become plus. So I will write first term as sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x plus k1 is the answer of A. So therefore now we will find B. B is given by integration of y1. So y1, what we have, y1 is cos x into phi of x is tan x divided by w is 1 into dx, which is integration of cos x into sin x divided by cos x into dx. So cos x cancels. B is equal to, what happens here, integration of sin x dx plus arbitrary constant k2 I will write. So sin x, integration of sin x is nothing but what here, it is minus times cos x plus k2. So therefore the value of B is minus cos x plus k2. So therefore we got the value of A and B. Substitute A and B values in 1. So therefore y is equal to, A value is sin x minus log of secant x plus tan x plus k1 of cos x plus B value is minus cos x plus k2 of sin x. So on rearranging with the k1, this is k1 and k2, so y is equal to k1 cos x plus k2 sin x, then the remaining one, so cos x into sin x, I will write sin x into cos x, and cos into this term, that is minus cos x into log of secant x plus tan x. Next remaining is plus into minus is minus, sin into cos, it will become sin x into cos x, k2 sin x already have taken. So this plus times sin x cos x minus times cancels. So therefore y is equal to k1 cos x plus k2 sin x minus cos x into log of secant x plus tan x is the final complete solution here. See, one thing you observe here, so the first two terms of all the examples of this variation of parameter, you will find the answer k1 of your complementary function result. So instead of c1 c2 you will get k1 k2. That is a change, that is nothing but one of the speciality of our variation of parameter.